TCS plans to hire 40,000 freshers in Indian campus amid coronavirus. This is a good move and also great news for those who are unemployed. TCS is planning to hire around 40,000 freshers in Indian campus due to lockdown coronavirus. They are planning to hire, and the work will be from home itself. And we'll see in this video what is the procedure and how they are going to hire. This is an article from India to India TV. So TCS Tata Consultancy Services planning to hire as many as 40,000 freshers in Indian campus amid coronavirus, which has eaten up around a lot of jobs for most of the those who are in software field. This move comes despite a sharp drop in revenue in the quarter end of June on account of Times of India reported. The company is India's biggest IT exporter and also is considered as to double its US campus, hiring nearly 20,000 this fiscal, aimed by reducing the dependence on H1B and L1B visa workers. So due to this move, the TCS had planned for recruitment of around 40,000 or around 35,000 freshers from India. We will see how to register in this video. If you just click on TCS website, you will be directed to this page, TCS Careers. And if you click on this Careers button, in TCS website, if you click on this Careers button, you will be directed to this page. I have already given the link in the description. And after clicking that button, you'll be directed, you'll have this option, validate your job offer, or either entry level or experience. So if you click on entry level, you will get this pop-up window. It says that we are taking you to another website. We need to click on OK as it is highlighted. Just click on OK. You will be directed to another page. So what we have to do here is the address bar URL. You need to remove this thing. Till campus and hit enter. And you will be directed to TCS next step, and you need to click register now. Just click register now. You will have two options. This is the recruitment website of TCS. I will call it a TCS next step. So we need to select the category, which field you want to enter, either in IT, that is information technology, or business process services. These are the two fields where TCS recruits freshers. You click on business process services. It takes some time for loading. You need to fill this form. You need to give all these details: name, date of birth, gender, email ID. And remember, the one who is eligible for this is till 2018 passed out. So we need to fill out the institute name, qualification, year of passing, highest qualification, and source type, post name. In earlier, they used to have a test in the nearest location, but due to lockdown, they may conduct the test online itself, and also interview may also be conducted online. So please grab this opportunity, share this with those who are unemployed or who are interested. So they will ask some security questions. This is common registration formality, and after registering you need to submit, and after submitting you will get an email from TCS Next Step, and they will ask you for online examination for the recruitment. After online examination, you are shortlisted, then they will ask you to attend interview either offline or online mode. So because they are hiring a bulk number, there might be an opportunity for everyone. Those who are registered can grab this opportunity. This is regarding business process services. If you want to register in IT, that is information technology, those who are from BTech background, just click on IT information technology, and also you will be directed to another process, that is the registration page of nextstep.tcs.com. And to fill in this form, which gives some name, date of birth, gender, email ID, and your qualification, etc. This is a page you need to register on in the nextstep.tcs.com. Institute name, qualification, year of passing for the highest qualification, also nearest test location, and you need to remember this password every time when you are required to log in. You need to have this password, so you need to fill this form and also captcha. After filling this form, the formal registration process, you will get an email. Filling this form, that is after submitting, you will get an email that you have registered tcsnextstep.com, and you will be intimated regarding the further updates, that is online test and where you need to take tests. But due to lockdown, there might be a possibility that you need to take the online test from home. So online test, you can just search on Google. Most of the websites will have the pattern and also how they are asking regarding the online test. After online test, because there is a bulk requirement, so there is every possibility that you may be selected for the next round, that is interview. There is a possibility that interview may also be conducted online by the TCS. And grab this opportunity, because most of the procedure will be online and the work due to the coronavirus may be from home. So grab this opportunity, share this video with most of the persons. And this is the official website. I have already given the link in the description. If you go to tcs.com and just click on careers, you will be directed to this page, that is nextstep.tcs.com, and you need to register in nextstep.tcs.com, and you will get email. And please take care of login details and remember the password. That will be useful when you are writing examination, and also further intimation will be provided through login details itself. So that is regarding the TCS. And for more information regarding the online examination and how the procedure of interview and the pattern, you just Google it. You will get a lot of previous papers, and also some YouTube channels are also available. And that's it regarding the TCS. Is about to hire 40,000 freshers. To grab this opportunity, share this with those who are interested. And if you're first to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. This is Wi-Fi Study Karo, where I do interesting facts, job updates of the technical flaws and glitches where we face in our daily life regarding computer, and also some technical terms. And I also do editorials and vocabulary, daily discussion of editorial, and also some interesting topics. Please do subscribe, you will be benefited through my channel. Thank you. Please share this with your friends so that they may be benefited. Thank you. Have a great day.